guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist and welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how you can paint hair in Adobe Photoshop CC using your own custom brush. So guys, let's start. I have opened my rough sketch and also I have opened my brushes panel. At the bottom of my brushes panel, you can see that I have my testing brush. I created this brush specifically for our tutorial, and before I will start working on my hair painting, I would like to apply a few changes to my brush. I will switch to brush settings panel, and I will click on transfer just like that. And also I will specify that I don't want to have a spacing, so I will move my spacing slider all the way to the left, just like that. In the options bar, I will specify opacity of my brush less than 50%. It's very important, at least in my hair painting workflow. Also, I will bring size of my brush down, just like that. And if I will click on a transfer tab, I will be redirected to transfer parameters space. And here I will specify that I would like to have opacity jitter controlled by pen pressure, same with flow jitter. I specify that I will control flow jitter by pen pressure, just like that. Of course, you can adjust in any way, anything in any way you like. So I customized my brush in a way I like, and I will be using dark shade of red color, kind of burgundy, close to the darkest shade of burgundy, and I will start my painting, and I will bring the size of my brush down just like that. Brush brush stroke after brush stroke after brush stroke, just like that. Nothing is too complicated, guys. Look. And same here, just like this and like that. You can use different layers. You can use one layer. Everything is up to you. Of course, I recommend you to use layers, because using layers will significantly improve your workflow. You can adjust any layer at any time. So what I will do right now, I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to darker shade of same color, just like that, and I will continue my hair painting just like that. Guys, look at this. So just brush stroke after brush stroke after brush stroke. And if you like, as I said before, you can adjust your layer. Example, I will bring down opacity of my layer down. I will create a new layer just like that. I will use another color. Let's see, and voila, I will bring size of my brush down and few more brush strokes, just like that. So guys, this is basically what I wanted to share with you today. This is the easiest way of hair painting workflow in Adobe Photoshop CC, at least for me. So thank you for being with me. But if you have more time and you would like to dig deeper into this topic, please stay with me and we will continue just in a second. Let's continue, guys. Let me close this document just like that, and I will open same document one more time, just like that. Before we will start working on our hair painting, I would like to show to you how I created this brush. I will create a new document just like that. You can create your document in any size you like, everything is up to you. I will fill this document with a white color, just like that, and I will switch to rectangle tool. I don't want to have stroke in my rectangle tool, but I would like to have a black color as a fill in my rectangle tool. And I will create simple shape just like that. and smaller and bigger, just like that, guys. And again, nothing is too complicated. Now what I will do, I will switch to ellipse tool and I will create a simple shapes using this simple ellipse tool. Just like that, guys. Nothing is too complicated. Take it easy and create any brush you like. Just like this. Now what I will do, I will go to edit, define brush preset, just like that. I will rename my brush to tutorial live, just like that, and I will click OK, and voila, I will close my properties panel. Now guys, I will switch back to our sketch. I have activated my brush we just created with you. In brush settings, I will specify that I would like to have transfer options enabled, just like that. And I will specify opacity jitter to pen pressure, same with flow jitter. In the options bar, I will specify opacity to 34%, just like that. Also, I will specify that I don't want to have spacing in my brush. You can move, of course, angle of your brush tip in any way you like, guys. Again, everything is up to you. It's your brush. I will make my brush size smaller, just like that. I will change the color of my brush, dark red. I will create a new empty layer and voila, guys. Let's start working. Look at this. I will make my brush size smaller and maybe I will increase opacity to 48. Yeah, just like this. Brush stroke by brush stroke, guys. Don't try to apply one brush stroke to entire head. It will be not pretty, believe me. Just like that. Applying small brush strokes, you have full control over your painting. Also, you with shorter brush strokes, you will create nice texture. Just like that. And of course, I don't care if I left any pixels not painted because just in a second I will create a new layer, just like that. I will switch to darker shade of same color for now, and I will continue working on my hair painting. And using different colors, different brush stroke, I will cover entire hair space. So by the end I will have no empty or missed pixels in my hair painting. Everything will be covered, everything will be different shapes and shades, just like that. Now I will create a new empty layer, and by the way, guys, you can restock your layers at any time. Again, I will click on my new layer and I will bring this layer down. Now this layer under my first hair layer, and I will use a bright color just to apply bright splashes of bright colors, just like that. Look at this. Because removed this layer under all my hair layers, I'm created kind of illusion of bright colors going under her hair. So it's very nice way to create some illusion. It's not visible, but very effective. Now I will create a new empty layer on top of my all other layers, and I will use a white color, just like that. Few brush strokes. Look at this. So easy, right, guys? Nothing it's to be worried about and to say, oh my god, I don't know how to how to paint. Hair painting workflow is so difficult. Absolutely not, guys. It's easy, and you can bring a lot of your personal touches into your painting. Just like that. Look at this. And voila, guys. Of course, you can do better job. Just spend more time. I just gave you some idea how you can create your own paintbrush for your hair painting workflow. Just like that. Now I will make my hairbrush smaller. I will create a new empty layer and just few flying hair outside of her main hairstyle, just like that. Those small touches are very important in your painting because you are creating your own style. You bring your own vision to life. This is very important. So pay attention to all details. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for being with me. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Thank you very much for being with me, guys. Super appreciate it. And I will see you very soon. Bye.